CHEVY.
Yes. This is the man GN presenting to you the final fit and finish of this 1981 box Chevy Silverado. Now it's giving you a segment of the clear being applied to the vehicle. We're going to move on over to the next segment, which this next segment is wet sand, and also known as color sanding. Now here I started with a 1500 first, then a 2000 over to smooth it out with more smoother substrate polish. Now these clears are a lot more sophisticated than years ago when I first started. I remember using 800 to cut those clears, a little lacquer clear, and they were very tough, like you sanding concrete. Moving forward, here, put the front end together. That chassis, that leg right there, that leg was compromised from collision that it was in, and I had to do some straightening to it to get it straight so that that new bumper could fit on it. So, in the process of polishing right now, I'm bringing up that luster shine. This is a mid-range clear that setup of this clear was over 300. So if you want a quality clear, you got to start somewhere in the 300. Quality clear that's not going to dull out over a period of time. It's going to hold that shine, and it's going to give you that deep shine, or you can still wash it up and take it out to the car shows and still be able to compete. And in a hand glaze on it, you keep it luster up. You'll maintain that shine when you have quality mid-range clear. Now you're looking at this two-tone. If I can remember off the top of my head, I think the beige color is called neutral, and the red. But this is not the original red. The owner changed this red. This is more of a modern. This is an up-to-date red, like 2020 plus. I think if I'm remembering right, I think this red is from a Hyundai. I think that's really select. But originally this truck came with a red called Carmine. Got a light Carmine and a dark Carmine, but I think this one came with the dark Carmine red and the neutral beige color in the middle. So it's noticed there, I got that bumper in place, got it lined up. It was a little hassle to get it lined up because the front was hit and that leg was bent, so I had to do a lot of adjusting and jostling back and forth to get the brackets to, because I have several brackets on there that you have to position right for the bolt that comes for the bumper. You got that dome top, and then you got that square base to it that pulled through the bumper to lock in. So in order to get those to lock in properly, it was a hassle. Now I'm on to the door. This mirror on there now. Well, I'm so glad they don't make these vehicles like that anymore, where you got the bore holes in the door, freshen the paint panel to mount no mirror. I hated doing it, but that's the way the mirror came on it, so I had to bore them holes in it to put the receiver for the screws in there, and I hated doing that, but that's the way it is. So basically now, got the truck together, it's all polished up, and one thing left to do is to add the center body molding, which are some stick-on mold that go right on the body line, right on the lower line where the beige and that carmine red meets. So it's time to move it outside. Now I'm gonna load up the sound of this engine. Let's say that sounds pretty good. 250. All black 250 Pro Masters. Alright, Doug, get that mirror straight for me. There she goes. Taking it outside. It's not the first time I've been outside, but taking it outside. You would see that that those moldings go on straight. As you see right there where it was parked, it was a little tight to get those molding on. Can't step back to look at them to make sure that they're straight. You're lining them up on the body. Oh, work is not done. Got these bent glass here to button up. I'm gonna take them out to place the rubber plus paint the frame up. I had to drill them out. They actually came with rivets in them from factories. So drill them out and have this stud steel live in there. Now I got to knock that out and replace it with a new rivet. And also I got to do the same thing on this side. This one knocked out as well. You see that one is more in line. The other one is. Then after, put some touch-up paint on it. I was trying to install these moldings, these stick-on moldings. And I started to install it, but I realized that I'm going offline. I need to draw tape, and that's exactly what I did. I followed this tape, got it right online. So you take a look at it, and I must say, my opinion, it looked better than the way it did back in 1981 when it came out of the showroom. When it came off the showroom floor. Yeah, so this is the final of this truck, and high gloss paint. Came out super clean, super nice, even though it was sprayed on the shop floor. And this is just a testament that you can get super high quality work off the shop floor, paint on the shop floor if you know what you're doing. Now this wraps it up for this vehicle. Now if you're a first time viewer, hit the subscribe button. Now while you're here, go check out some of my other content and keep it locked in for more. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.